Happy Halloween! Hi, I'm Nancy at Kneble Auto Servicing. Halloween is definitely a fun holiday and a chance to dress up in your favorite character and just be a kid. Which reminds me, Grant! Oh, Grant, who are you dressed as?
I'm your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man.
Of course, Grant, that's amazing. That's such a great costume. Fits kind of well too, Grant. But with Halloween comes the responsibility of making sure the lights in your vehicle are operating properly, especially during the night. Please check your headlights, turn signal, tail lights, brake lights, and hazards to see that they light up as they should. You want to see those children, and you want the children to see you when they are crossing the streets to go trick-or-treating. Have fun and enjoy the candy on the spookiest night of the year. Post the pictures of your costume choice on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I know what you're going to be posting. And remember to like us on Facebook. Remember, the next time you're in, say Kneble with a K and get 10% off of your service.
And don't forget to head to the Maze Landing Halloween Parade, sponsored by the Maze Landing Egg Harbor City Rotary Club and us.
Woo, yes!
It's on Tuesday, October 30th at 6 o'clock p.m.
On Main Street is where it's going to start.
On Main Street, where you'll find me.
And me. But you'll find him for sure dressed up. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.